Hey guys, welcome back. Episode 2, I am just experimenting and I'm gonna make bhindi and kadhi today. So it's bhindi masala and kadhi. Why together? Because they're really good together. The combo is just amazing. Here's the bowl for kadhi. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add yogurt in this, some more water. Depends on how thick you want your curry to be. I like it to be a little less thicker, but it's up to you. It's just choice really. Just choice. A little more. And just smoothen the yogurt out. Just a little bit, guys, not too much, so there's not too much energy that you're using up really, or there's no need for an electric blender. So that's it. This is done. All I'm going to do is add one raw chili for flavor. We're not going to chop it, just wash and put that. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Or to taste. Little bit of turmeric. Little bit is, say, little less than half a spoon turmeric for color. Final ingredient, 1 teaspoon or a tablespoon of gram flour. This is besan, as you call it. 1 and 2. This will determine the thickness of your curry. So that's it. I'm gonna mix it again. Once mixed, you can place this on the gas, guys. Now this needs to boil really well, so I would say you can boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep stirring in between, and once you start seeing the color, which you will in some time, we will do the tadka for curry, and that would be it. And it's that simple. Now moving my focus from curry, we will simultaneously prepare okras, spiced okras / bhindi masala. So for the bhindi masala, what I'm gonna do is I am first gonna put in some oil. This would be close to 3 tablespoons of oil. A little more, because all I'm going to do is first fry bhindi in this. Just plain bhindi. Or okras. Just used to calling it bhindi really for years now. Now, the oil's hot because I left the pan on for a while. So I'm just going to put in the bhindi in it. So the bhindis usually take 7 to 8 minutes to turn golden / a little brown. That's when we will remove it from the pan. So the bhindi is nearly done. There. So we like to keep our bhindi crunchy but well cooked. So looks like to me it's pretty much done. I'm going to transfer this back to the plate. So I'm just going to transfer this to the plate, guys. Just trying to keep the oil in the pan. moving back to the pan. We will be using the same pan for making the actual masala. I'm going to add a little bit more oil, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Meanwhile, curry is still boiling. The more you boil, the better. You don't really have to change much. All I've done is I've reduced the flame. I'm letting it boil some more. So the flavor is good, like really good. So we'll keep checking. The oil is pretty much ready. The pan's quite hot. So I'm just gonna add the spices first. Not the spices, like first the onions. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Followed by some green chilies, 2 green chilies to be precise. Ginger and garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger, rather teaspoon, not really tablespoon, and 3 fat cloves of garlic. Stir it for a minute so the smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now we can add some onions. I've added 2 onions, medium sized. Alright, now we can add the spices. So for this recipe, the only spices we'll need is red chili, 1 teaspoon. If you want it more spicy, you can add another teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. Two teaspoons, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and again 3/4 spoon of amchur, dry mango powder, and we mix it. Mix it till the onions are slightly more cooked. So the masala seems like ready. Great. I'm just gonna add bhindi to it now, which we cooked earlier. Brilliant. Lessen the flame now, it's really low. Just gonna stir it for like a minute or 2. Because our bhindi is already cooked, so just a minute or 2. We'll move our focus to kadhi now because this is pretty much ready, and we'll make the tadka for kadhi on the side. For the kadhi, I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of ghee for the tadka because it's going to be very light and very simple. It's more like a food for people who are sick. It really helps them. Usually kadhi goes well with khichdi as well, but we really discovered that it goes amazing with bhindi too. So there's the kadhi, and this is the tadka. Now ghee is almost ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mustard seeds to it. Just 1 teaspoon. Dry curry leaves. And 1 dry chili, red chili. Once it starts spluttering, you can just add it to the curry. Just like flavored yogurt, really, that you can make at your own pace at home and really enjoy it. And that's it. I forgot to add red chili to it, the flavor, which I just did. Like literally a pinch of red chili if you want. You can even like not do it, just for color. See, that's pretty much ready now. Keep this for another 2 to 3 minutes, and our curry is ready. So our bhindi and curry is ready, guys. What you can do is garnish it with some fresh coriander, and so the same for curry as well. It's up to you, really. I don't usually use it for the curry, but it's up to you. Now you can serve these with some fulkas and some rice on the side. Great, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.